Hi, welcome to new product reviews. Today I'm showing you a set of 16 and 9-inch cable box kits. This is one of my workstations. I sit here and I use this area to work and film on occasion. And to the left of me is a workstation that I have. It has never been as nice as this. These boxes are very useful. The tops, you can put whatever you want to put on them if you don't need constant access to the boxes. Or if you don't mind, you can still put the key items on top. So we're just going to move the phone out the way, and I'll show you the inside of this box. By the way, they are very easy to open. You just press right in the center. And right here we have a 5-port 8-amp USB desk charger, and we have the two cables that are on the right tied up, the two cables on the left tied up. They're both cables on the left are tied up with zip ties and then with the Velcro tie, so that I can remove the Velcro tie, decide which cable I want to use, and then remove the zip tie to that. Each one could also be used by pulling forward and snapping right up and using the top part as a charging dock station. So if I need to charge something, I could pull any one of these cables and go right to here. And the 6 pieces here are also included in the kit. I used it to set up, as you can see, a storage center for the cables for easy access. Now what I did here, in case you want to imitate something like this, or just for if you want to run off it, mine is taped down with some light double-sided 3mm tape, so this isn't moving. And that's this box right here. Now I'm going to show you the larger box and the goodies inside this box. So we have two 8-outlet Birkeland surge protectors. Now, with all the devices I had, I couldn't get use of all the outlets. I'll probably still be able to get that one, but here we have the turbocharger, which by the way is also ran into here, and it's with the free access. I put that one on the bottom so that one can be instantaneously pulled out. They have my camcorder charger. I have the Apple charger, which is ran all the way around, down and back to, well, can't see it from this angle, but it's behind there. I have my Jambox charger. I have a Unifon 10,000 mAh power bank, which runs off an AC adapter, so that one can stay constantly charging. And a couple other things. Nice thing about it is this thing would be a complete mess. I have not had this area so neat. I always have these chargers. I've been running this thing, which has been a pain. I've only been using 4 outlets for the longest, but now I have that. This is actually plugged in power too. That's one of the devices that is plugged into one of the surge protectors. So in addition to having that, this box inside this box is actually powering I think it's like a 50-foot cabled 4-way extension, which I can run to any location. And there's still room to move around and get access to about 2 to 3 more outlets. Beautiful devices. They come with also zip ties which actually I didn't use all the zip ties. This is the zip tie that's included in it. Very nice zip tie. You can just tie it to the point that you want, take a pair of scissors, cut the point, and then tie off the next section, and then cut them, and you can tie up a lot of cables with that. The sky's the limit. You can create a lot of different creations using these boxes. I hope you enjoyed the review. Have a great day.